Hello my friends, you're watching a new episode of Steve's Easy Cooking. In this episode, I'll show you how to make delicious pancakes with blueberry and apples. Let's go! A list of all ingredients needed for this recipe you will find below this video. We will start by cracking one egg, then beat it lightly and add about 3 pinches of salt. The next step, we're adding about 3 full tablespoons of sugar, we continue mixing egg and sugar and adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, we're doing good, and now it's time to add 1 cup of ricotta cheese. We continue to mix up ricotta cheese and eggs until it's all consistent, like this. Now it's time to add 3 full tablespoons of flour. After adding 3 spoons of flour, we continue mixing our dough to semi-soft consistency, like this. Now it's time to prepare apple, because like I said before, we're cooking these pancakes with apple and blueberries. After peeling my apple, I'll cut it in small pieces and then dice it up to little cubes. The main reason I'm cutting these pieces that small because they need to be covered completely with the dough. Alright, apples are up there, and now we're adding second fruity ingredient is blueberries. And now we need to wrap it up nicely, so we'll mix blueberries and apple dices with dough, so to make sure that it's all consistent at all one piece. Now it's a happy step. We start frying them. First we have to have non-stick pan, add a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil. I'm using avocado in my case, and as soon as the oil is hot enough, you just start getting them fried. I'll use tablespoon and add 1 at a time. If you have bigger pan or you'd like to try a few at a time, you can do that as well. When frying, try to keep the temperature of your pan and oil medium to high. The trick is not to overburn them, so it shouldn't be too high, but at the same time oil should be hot enough to keep frying them. And it's takes about 3 to 4 minutes aside, depends again on the temperature you're frying in, and you can always lift it up and see if there is a brown crust like you can see right now. That's perfect, you can turn it over. Nice brown crust and sizzling sound tells me that my first pancake is ready. We continue to use our mix until it ends, and basically this portion will make about probably 10 to 15 pancakes. It all depends. I would not suggest them to make too big because then it's hard to flip them, because they're kind of soft when you flip them, and if it's too big then it's gonna break. So I would suggest to use a decent, like 1 tablespoon size mix for each one. The smell is so good, even my dog Max likes the smell, so he came to check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your likes and comments, and as always, enjoy. Bye bye, see you next time.